In your Qase workspace, you can manage your attachments by going to Workspace and Attachments. From here, you can view all of your attachments, their file type, and the project that the attachment is from, and also its size. You can delete individual attachments from the three-dot menu, or delete multiple ones by selecting them and clicking on the delete button. If you're on the free plan, you will have 512 megabytes of data, and for startup it's 250 gigabytes of data. On our business and enterprise subscriptions, attachments have no limit. You have unlimited data to store all of your files. If you are on a plan with a limited storage, you can view your attachment utilization from here, along with the donut chart. You can also sort these attachments by the biggest size and delete a few to free up some storage. First up, we have the repository section, where you can attach a file to any of the existing test cases or while creating a new one. We have a separate attachment section where you can attach files with previews. You can upload a new file or browse from the existing ones. Also, most of these fields support attachments. To attach a file, click on the plus icon and the picture icon. Attachments in these fields mostly are hyperlinked to a text. You can also add attachments to a particular step by clicking on this icon right here. You can also comment with an attachment, and in the shared steps you can create steps with attachments. Same with reviews, you can view an attachment of a test case in the reviews as well, and also comment with an attachment. In the test runs, while you're performing the test, you will be able to view the existing attachments and add new ones here. Also, when you assign a result to a test case, you will have an option to attach a file. Please note, however, that if you attach a file on this screen where you're adding a result, it will be carried over if you choose to file a defect. Lastly, we have the defects section, where you can attach in the comments or edit the existing defect and add an attachment here. We also have requirements, where you can upload your documents, mockups, etc. by clicking on the edit button on any requirements. You can attach a file. You can also upload or manage your attachments via the API. Go to the attachment section and you can receive all attachments, upload an attachment, or get an attachment, or remove an attachment. When you upload an attachment, you will receive a hash for that attachment, and you will need that specific hash in order for you to get a specific attachment or remove that specific attachment. As for the limits on the file's size, you can go up to 128 megabytes per single file and send up to 20 files in a single request if you are sending via the API. But please note that the overall size of such 20 files or less should not exceed 128 megabytes. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles and our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you would like to share with us, just drop us a message.